Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Sunday and it is currently 10:30 a.m. Brenden and I have just pathetically rolled out of bed.
No. Holly just pathetically rolled out of bed.
Actually, you got out of bed and then you got back in bed.
I tried to get her up, she dragged me back in there.
Sorry, I wanted some Sunday morning cuddles. My bad. I'll remember not to love you next time.
No, she just does that.
Anyway.
She knows I'll stay in there.
You're annoying.
You're annoying.
Anyways, I just thought it would be fun to take you guys through a typical lazy Sunday with us. So I'm about to make some coffee and I think we're gonna go to GameStop and Home Goods today and just spend some time together.
No, she's supposed to go to Home Goods to look at stuff and buy stuff. And the only reason she got me to go is because she said GameStop.
And I'm buying you donuts if you don't find a new game that you want.
She actually bribed me. This is not healthy.
It's perfectly healthy. Having a little granola with some almond milk and a big old coffee. And I'm about to sit down and watch some YouTube while I eat it. Just put on a little outfit. Just wearing this little AC/DC top I got at Forever 20 and forever ago. And some Strong Physiques leggings. And my favorite Puma Buzz Lightyear looking shoes that Brenden got me a while ago. This is how Brenden puts on his socks every day. So yeah, probably gonna put a hoodie on with this because I always get cold when I'm shopping, but it's hot outside right now, so this is what I'm wearing. And I've been watching some Buff Bunny while Brenden has been playing some video games, but we're about to head to Home Goods and GameStop. Woo!
Gang, gang.
Away from my face. Jeez. Oh wait, these houses.
Oh my god!
Oh, there's a car behind us.
Go, babe. Just go.
Okay, so
those aren't that nice.
Point to me. So, one of those is the dream house that I have on my on my dream board. Anyways, there's this road near where we live called Spalding Drive that has some of the most gorgeous houses, and I can take this road on my way to work. And I do that pretty much every day that I go into the office. Obviously that's kind of limited now with COVID and everything, but the days I do go into the office, I always take this road because I find it so inspirational. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna work really hard today so that one day Brenden and I can afford a house like this.
I didn't even notice that house back there.
Dude, I know, it's freaking huge.
Let's see if you can see it.
I like this one that's like covered by like all the bamboo.
There's bamboo, yeah, you can't see it.
Oh wait, we're gonna come up on the one that I really love.
Yeah, you can't see it.
Right here. Oh my gosh, guys. I really hope y'all can see that. I'm trying to slow down, but there's a car behind us.
I got it, just go normal speed.
Oh, it's so pretty. Y'all, seriously, the houses around here are freaking gorgeous. I think I would, oh, that's pretty. I think. Just so you guys know, to give you some reference, most of these houses are about $650,000 to about, typically they cap out at about 1.5 million, but a couple of them are like 2 million and maybe a little bit up from there, like 2.1, 2.2 million. So these are like $2 million out of our price range because we can afford
nothing.
Zero. But seriously, they're so pretty. Oh my gosh. I've made it back home.
Or ask the grinning bobcat why he grins.
The full horn moon?
The full horny moon.
It's the full corn moon.
Full
Is it
corny.
gonna focus? Why isn't it focus?
Whoa. It's been an unsuccessful day so far.
So I went to Home Goods, and I got just a couple little things. I got like a tiered tray that I've been wanting because I thought it would be cute to store just like, you know, kitchen items and stuff. I've been wanting one to kind of like decorate. And what else did we get, babe?
Got a plant.
Yeah, we got a plant for his mom. Got a Death Star plant for me. It's really cool. I'll show it to you guys. It's literally just like a green circle, like topiary type thing, but it's fake, obviously. But we think it looks like a vegetarian Death Star.
Death Star gone green.
Then, so I have been wanting a gray couch for our living room because I just have like this total vision for what I want our living room to look like. And we found a super comfortable couch and it's selling online for like $2,000, and we found it for $500 in Home Goods, and we were like this close to getting it. But we have some other recliners that we really should sell if we're gonna get a new couch, because we don't need a 3-person wide recliner, a 2-person wide recliner, a recliner, and a couch. That's a little excessive. So we're gonna try and sell those, and then as soon as we sell those, we might go get the new couch, or I don't know, we might wait until we actually move into the condo. Because the thing is too, is that like we're trying to get rid of anything that we don't want to decorate the new condo with, because that's just like one extra item to move. And I don't know, it's like our first house, so I just have like such a good vision for how I want it to look. So I don't know. But then we went to GameStop to get an Xbox controller, literally after arguing about what kind of Xbox controller, because it's gonna be my controller. So I wanted the pink one, but Brenden wanted these like other blue ones. So after arguing about what controller to get for like 5 minutes, we go to check out after finally picking a controller, and the guy was like, oh yeah, we don't have any in stock. Actually, no GameStop in the state has them in stock because everyone's been needing them right now. And I was like, cool, you literally saw us arguing about what controller to get for 15 minutes over there and you didn't say anything? Awesome, thank you. What a waste of time. So we're headed to Target to see if we can find a controller, but I don't have much hope, to be honest. Because if every GameStop in the state is sold out, why would Target be in stock? But also it's Target. So I don't know.
Taco Bell. Wendy's.
You have a real addiction. So we just got back from shopping, which was like pretty much a total bust. We said a lot of it to y'all, but Best Buy was a bust. Our second run to Target was a bust. It was just altogether a bust. We didn't end up getting a second Xbox controller, which really sucks. But we just ordered one on Amazon, so we'll just have to wait a little while until we can play Madden together and stuff, which is not a huge deal. Got a couple things at Home Goods. Got Brenden his favorite gummy bears. We always get these.
Best gummy bears in the world.
Every single time we go, we always get him these gummy bears. And then, this is our vegetarian Death Star that I was talking about. $7.99. I thought it was really cute. I don't know where I'm gonna hang it yet, but I really, really like it. Okay, got all the packaging off. This is the little tray that I got, and I just thought it would look really cute somewhere in the kitchen with like some stuff kind of displayed on it. Like some food and little like jars and stuff. So yeah, I really like this. It works really well in our kitchen. So love that. Then we went to Target where I got a fake plant. I'm always picking up fake plants, but the main reason I wanted this one is because I really wanted a small one with a white vase to go on my little tray. So I thought that one would be really cute, and it was like $5, so can't go wrong with that. And then I really needed a new food scale because I really want to get back into tracking my food a little bit and just kind of see how that feels. So I got this really pretty one. It says Bamboo Digital Kitchen Scale. It was kind of expensive. The last one I had, I think, was like $14.99, and this one was like almost $30. I think it was $28.99. But I figured, you know what, it matches our kitchen and it's really good quality, so I'll splurge a little bit and get the nice one. Oh, this is really pretty. Yeah, I really like that. So it's just like a digital scale. Yeah, that'll super come in handy, and it's pretty, so it will look good sitting on our countertop. Then the last thing I got at Target was a total impulse buy. I saw these. I'm such a sucker for Disney like licensed snack foods. I literally got the Princess Goldfish. Like, that's how much of a sucker I am. And I don't know why, but I've had the Mickey and Minnie ones before, and they just somehow taste better because they're Mickey and Minnie shaped. So let's see if the same goes for Disney princesses. Why can't I get this bag open? Jeez. Oh, this is so cute. Literally, I bet no one cares about this except maybe a couple of weird Disney fans like me. It has Moana and Cinderella and Jasmine. So cute. I think it just has those three, but if you get different bags, like there was a pink bag, so I think if you get the pink bag, then it comes with different princesses. So I don't know, I'll have fun chowing down on those. But I'm gonna start cleaning up the kitchen and style my little tray that I have over here and show you guys once I finish it. Okay, so I didn't style it super duper fancy. I definitely want to make some improvements to it, but I feel like I just need to pick up like a couple little trinkets or something. But I want this to be kind of like my drinks station, if that makes sense, because I would say my coffee station, but the only thing I have for my coffee is creamer and the coffee beans, and I keep my coffee beans in this giant jar that obviously will not fit on this. So I put just a little mug, which actually has, so Keith Haring is one of my favorite artists. And I got this mug a long time ago. I think it was gifted to me. And I put my little lemonade packets in it. These are what I use when I want lemonade, because they're like made out of stevia, so they're not super like calorically dense. And then my honey, and then all of my Earl Grey tea in this little ramekin right here. And then I put that little plant down there, and then I needed a wood accent, so this was actually over there on my super messy little baker's rack situation, but I wanted it over here to tie in a little bit more wood because this wood doesn't really match the other wood accents in the kitchen. Then my little white vase, and then this is actually a mini Yankee Candle glass that I cleared the wax out of because I figured it would be good for holding small stuff. And I have all of my chamomile tea in there. So yeah, I think it's really cute for now. I definitely could use, it could use some sprucing up. Like I think I'd want to get like an actual honey dispenser thing instead of like the regular packaging to make it a little more aesthetic. But overall, cute for now.